Wow. Okay, over here you can actually play cricket or.
There are 3 types of homes that we can get here in the US.
Hey everyone, welcome to 100 GB and this is your host Gaurav. If this is not the first time you are over here, welcome again. If this is the first time, consider subscribing to the channel. I put I think 46 odd videos and this is probably the 47th or 48th, I don't know, maybe 50th. So today we are actually going to see a few apartments. We're right now going to Hayward, then we will go to Fremont. By the way, for the Indian audience, when we say Silicon Valley, we actually mean Bay Area. And Bay Area is this entire area which is composed of a lot of cities. Bay Area is actually San Francisco's Bay Area or San Francisco Bay Area. San Francisco is at the top, there is this bay. There are a lot of cities around. We right now live in Sunnyvale. Google's headquarters is in Mountain View, very close to Sunnyvale. And on the east side of Bay, we have these cities. So yeah, Hayward, Fremont, and then we'll go to San Jose. Okay, let's take you guys on our journey and see how it goes. Okay, first apartment of the day. This is the backyard. Here we have this room.
So we have one room here, and this is the view from the room, and we have one almirah over here.
So the first apartment is done. We kind of liked it. It's a townhouse. Townhouse is actually a house. It is not an individual house because it is connected on the left and right with other houses. We have the backyard. There is on the ground floor we have kitchen, living room, and on the second floor we have this 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. Look good. It's okay. There we have the backyard or the patio. There is no view, but you can at least sit outside, take a sun bath. Room number 1, then room number 2, and we are right above patio.
Gaurav is checking out the bathroom.
It looks cleaner than the previous one.
Yeah, it looks like it's a newly built. They just recently
As we say in
did the
Hindi,
flooring. Huh?
As we say in Hindi, काफी साफ सुथरा लग रहा है.
Then we have this bathroom here.
They don't have a bathroom on the first floor, which means that Every time you'll have to come up.
So Gaurav, I have to say,
Okay, I like it. We have the garage as well.
yeah. So this is the garage.
And all our the Amazon boxes, we'll probably just throw them towards the end of the garage.
So yeah, I really
Yeah,
liked
so
it.
it was pretty similar to the previous one. The only difference is that over there, the half bathroom was on the ground floor, but over here we have
Yeah, two complete bathroom
two complete
and
bathrooms
with rooms.
Okay, we entered from there. And we have the bathroom number 1 over there. This is the kitchen. And this is the living room. There's the patio. Washer and dryer. This is master bedroom. Okay, how interesting. So actually this is the only bathroom. Because when we come here, we're back at the entry.
So, how was it?
So apartment was very cozy, but it just had one bathroom, and the other room was very small. So I think it's a deal breaker.
Yeah,
Not gonna
I
consider it.
agree. Let's go to the next apartment in our listing.
Okay, fourth property of the day. Jump.
This is room number 1. Bathroom number 1. Then room number 2. So this is probably the master bedroom. Looks like it.
No, that is the master because it has one bathroom.
Okay. What? Yeah. So this is supposed to be the master bedroom because the bathroom is attached. But the room is pretty small. Oh wow, the backyard looks beautiful. So this is one utility room. This is connected with the garage. Wow. Okay, over here you can actually play cricket or I have what we used to play like gully cricket. That's how it looks from the outside. Ah, this is okay. This is supposed to be the main gate.
So Gaurav, how was it?
This actually looked pretty good. It was a typical American house with a great backyard, 3 bedrooms, and so the owners have constructed this utility room as well, where they had their office setup and the washer and dryer. It had everything.
What I felt was the master room was very
Yeah.
small.
Oh yeah,
It's good to explore. We kind of like know what kind of houses
Yeah.
are there and
So this is the living room.
oh, this is fireplace.
All right, store. Over there, this is the common bathroom. These must be the stairs to
Garage.
garage.
Okay, this is kind of a backyard. This is the smaller room. Which is okay, and we have a view of the patio.
Actually, the view is very nice.
Okay, the bathroom.
This is so rich.
What are you having in here?
Oh, that heater.
Ah,
This is the
master bedroom.
Oh,
Master bedroom.
the brushing areas.
What's in there?
Should be some storage.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah.
Storeroom.
Okay, one wash basin is there, and one is in the bathroom as well.
No, I don't.
Yeah. We have it over here. See.
Oh.
Okay, so we came down, and we directly land inside the garage. There's a lot of storage.
तो गौरव कैसा लगा? जहाँ गए थे अभी?
Okay, this is the fifth one. It was good. The ones we saw earlier was kind of a mixture of all those. We had a garage. It was in the basement. Not actually basement. That was first floor or ground floor. And then the washer and dryer were not there, but the hookups were there, which were there in the garage. On the second floor, we had the living room, kitchen, and the patio. Okay? And we also had a bathroom over there, which didn't have a shower. On the third floor, we had 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom as well, with the shower.
Hey folks, so we are back and this is the next day. To give you guys context, there are 3 types of homes that we can get here in the US. So the first are condominiums, which are effectively the apartments we have in India, where you don't own the land or the building, but you do own the floor or multiple floors, or maybe just the area of the floor you are in. The second are the townhouses or townhomes, where, so let's say we have this horizontal building as in one unit of a building, and it has 4 houses, and every house has a backyard, a front yard, and multiple floors. Each house out of these 4 is actually a townhouse. And in this case, you do own the land, but the common land is actually owned by the residents association. And then the third are the most obvious, the individual houses where you own everything. And there are some other types as well, like a manufactured home where you own the constructed home, but the land is leased. Which is kind of funny. I don't understand how it all works, but I've heard that something of that sort exists. Out of the homes that we visited, first, second, and fifth were townhouses. The third was a kind of a condominium or an apartment, and the fourth one was an individual house. So by the way, the purpose of this video was to give you guys a sense of what kind of houses to expect here in the Bay Area. As for us, we are gonna take it very slow now. Everything is super expensive, and it is super hard to even pay for the down payment. The market is going down, interest rates are rising, and even the realtors suggest to wait. On that note, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. And do let me know in the comment section that which one out of these 5 you like the most and why. I guess we are done here then. Bye-bye.